post-weather alert. Jonathan Kovac and Timmins, thanks for tuning in. It's the last broadcast today for both the Timmins and area web weather and storm warning groups on Facebook. So the weather alert was dropped at around 2:30 this afternoon, which means the conditions no longer met the criteria for a weather advisory to be in effect. Mixed precip also affected Timmins, but not to the extent of Kapuskasing, who is still reporting on this Thursday evening some light snow and poor visibility. Light snow continued at Hearst, but going into this evening hour, this is being recorded at 8 o'clock on Thursday evening. Pretty much overcast skies, a little bit windy and a little bit chilly as well. And taking a look at the systems map for this afternoon, when the brunt or the almost tail end of the system, kept the alert in place, the low pressure system, the weather maker for all this nonsense nuisance weather, is over Ottawa, Ontario. But if you notice here, we got these white lines. These are isobars, which shows you the pressure gradient and the distance of the low, which is over Ottawa, moving very slowly. So the backward spin of this low pressure system is causing northwest winds at about 15 kilometers an hour. The barometer at a healthy level, 29.87, 101.1 or 0.2 kilopascals, that's okay. But the concern here is that the low is actually spinning backwards over Toronto and Ottawa. So you can see the cloud cover rising up from the south, from New York State, and wrapping itself around the low as far west as Lake Superior, which means that there could be a repeat performance of mixed precip freezing rain, snow going into late Thursday and or Friday morning. The Weather Network and Environment Canada are both predicting that, so we have to keep an eye in just in case another alert does come on the air, let's say into early Friday morning. We'll keep an eye on that. Last but not least, the radar picture for the mid-morning, mid-afternoon. This is the best shot I was able to get. Blue is snow, pink is freezing rain or mixed precip, green is rain. There's one streamer between Iroquois Falls and Timmins, and this is when Timmins was, effective with mixed precip. And you can see some streamers of snow going from northeast to southwest over Kapuskasing-Hearst. And the good news about this radar picture here is that it looks a lot cleaner now for the midday than it did from earlier this morning. Stay tuned now for the detailed observations from Timmins, Kapuskasing, and the surrounding region.